Hi Taurus, this is Star with Rihanna Stark. This is your monthly forecast for December 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use some oracle decks that I have here. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would also like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading, Taurus, for December. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December 2021, we have the Queen of Wands. I think you were someone who was quite radiant, or you were someone who was quite attractive. Nevertheless, I think this was also the time when you were seeking divine intervention. Maybe you felt let down, or maybe knives were also being sharpened behind your back. Nevertheless, I think, Taurus, this was also the time when your goodwill had helped you make inroads. Maybe there were also estranged people who wanted to renew contact with you. Obstacles to overcome this month, the challenges that December is going to pose for you is the Ace of Cups. I think the key here is to work on your relationships, because this card has come up in your challenge for December. So maybe you may feel that there are issues with respect to your relationships that you need to sort out. Ideally, Taurus, you should hold your tongue, whether in professional matters or in your personal life. Influences for this month, we have the Empress card. I think you're coming across as someone who is quite rule worthy. This is the Empress energy, so you're also very nurturing this month. Your personal magnetism is definitely going to be at its peak. Maybe you're somebody who's also forming new friendships. Work offers could also come your way this month, but then you may be disinterested. Maybe you feel that the pay is not up to your expectations. In case you're collaborating with others, Taurus, I think you should avoid nitpicking. Maybe your colleague could point it out that you're always finding fault, so this is going to make the work environment very oppressive. Nevertheless, as the leader, I think you can expect praise for the way your department goes about its tasks. Maybe you're going to be singled out for your leadership skills. The first 10 days of December, we have the King of Wands here. Certainly, this is a very creative energy which is coming into your life. I think you need to capitalize on this. Besides, you're coming across as someone who is quite a leader. Work-related recognition is on the cards. Positive feedback is going to come your way. Maybe your client is also going to point it out that you're always focused on giving the best to your customer or your patrons. Interestingly, I think, Taurus, you should also be careful, because a superior could question you or underestimate your talent, but then you're going to come good this month. In personal relationships, I think this is the time to forgive and forget and to move on. Some of you could also be a bit perturbed because your mother could be critical of you. We do have the Empress energy, so certainly female figures take center stage. Some of you could also be concerned about the health of a loved one. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th December, we have the Tower card. Quick communication is quite likely. I think you shouldn't jump to conclusions. Maybe you're someone who is going to overreact when it comes to situations. Basically, Taurus, you should control the situation rather than let it go out of hand. Maybe there are also going to be delays, but then you're somebody who's going to achieve your ends. For some of you, it's also possible your dues or payments could also come in at this time. I think, Taurus, this is a time when you should be ready for the grind. Maybe sometimes you could be a bit confused because there is excess information which is coming your way. This could even leave you a bit overwhelmed, but then I think you need to focus that much harder. Nevertheless, I think this time or in this period, your skills are going to be in demand. Ideally, Taurus, I think you need to focus, or you should concentrate, because there could be mistakes in your work. The final days of December, that is towards 21st to 31st December, we have the Four of Cups, which talks about emotional discontentment here. You see this lady, she seems to be all by herself. Possibly, Taurus, in this time you may feel that people are self-centered and two-faced. Nonetheless, I think people are going to pay attention to your side of the story. Even the Two of Swords had flipped up in your reading. Possibly you could be undecided about how you should proceed. Maybe you should deliberate with an elder person or a senior figure. I think brainstorming is quite likely. Your schedules could also be disrupted this month, so you need to be careful about that. Certainly, it's going to be a very hectic period, and you have to move and find solutions to the problems that may arise. Taurus, this month you should also be careful because a colleague could try to take credit for your effort. With respect to your love life, Taurus, we have this card. Lying was just easier for me than telling you the truth. Possibly you're leaving somebody heartbroken, or perhaps, Taurus, no response from a person whom you desire could make you feel sad. Maybe you feel that you're quite persuasive. Maybe this person isn't honest about his feelings for you, or he is hiding his feelings. Perhaps you're also dealing with a person who is not ready to commit and needs time to chalk out plans for the future. I think you should bide your time. This person is also somebody who's going to become quite emotional as the evening sets in, so you should wait for night time to arrive. For some of you, it's also possible that there's going to be family opposition to your love life, so that is why you may feel that it is better to walk away from this relationship, to resort to falsehood and lies. Nevertheless, romancing Taurus, I think you're concerned about the health of your loved one. You're also going to be somebody who is going to help your lover with respect to work. Maybe this person is also going to acknowledge mistakes that have been made in the past. The two of you could also be discussing your family life this month. Your lover or your partner is also somebody who's going to be quite happy with your success at work. Suspicion could also affect your relationship. Maybe your person suspects that you have feelings for somebody else. Maybe this person feels that you're lying even if you're being honest. We do have another card or another message from the universe which talks about signs. Possibly there are going to be signs with respect to your life, whether it concerns your professional matters or your personal life. I think you should observe these signs because there are messages from your angels or your higher self, even your spirit guides. You need to pay attention to them. These signs could be in the form of some music that you hear, or maybe it could be a form of a message which you see on the social media. For some of you, it's also possible that you could be getting signs from your spirit animals this month. The last card in this reading is Visualize Success. I think your angels are also asking you to hold positive thoughts for yourself and those people who are involved here. Definitely a successful outcome will ensure if you keep the faith. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.